To access the plugin Form Builder, locate Brevo in the left-hand side panel and click Forms. This view shows all Brevo forms created within the plugin. What's really important to note here is that forms created within the Brevo dashboard Form Builder will not be available within this view on WordPress. And vice versa, forms created in the plugin Form Builder are not available within the Brevo dashboard. To create a new form, click Add New Form to open the Design Builder. The builder is split into 3 panels: the HTML generator, a simplified interface to add attributes and customize settings, and a preview panel. The Form Builder works by generating HTML based on the selections made in the user-friendly interface. To add an attribute, a user can simply scroll to add a new field and select an attribute from the Brevo account. There is an option here to edit the label. This will change how the attribute is displayed within the form. For example, a user might want to change this to lowercase for a better look. This field can be defined as a required field, meaning that a subscriber will not be able to submit the form without completing this field. You'll notice that as the field settings are edited, the code has been updated by the plugin here. Once all settings have been defined, the attribute can be added by clicking Add to Form. The HTML is added within this box here, and we can click to update the preview. You can see that the first name attribute is now available within the form. A user can repeat this process for all attributes available in their Brevo account at any time. If they would like to add a new attribute, they can navigate back to Brevo, create the attribute, refresh the plugin page, and select the new attribute from the list. HTML details for each attribute are held within p tags. Here we can see first name attribute, the first name label area, and the information to pass this to Brevo. If a user would like to change the order of these in the form, they can simply select between the p tags, copy, move the cursor, and paste. If we update the preview, we'll see the changes are reflected and first name is now at the bottom of the form. The same goes for deleting attributes. Simply select the p tags and click Delete. Once a user has selected all attributes, they can begin customizing different parts of their form process. Here we have the option to add multi-list subscription, an optional compliance note, Google Capture to secure the form, or to add an acceptance term checkbox. A user can decide whether the form will take a custom style with CSS or the style of the current WordPress theme. We should be encouraging our users to use the current theme options to ensure it fits within the look of their website. Once the preferences have been defined, click Save. After the form building is complete, a user can move on to customizing the sign-up process. This works very similar to the process within the Brevo dashboard, where the user can select which list or which multiple lists to sync contacts to, whether or not they would like to send a confirmation email, which Brevo template they would like to send, whether to use a double opt-in process, and if they would like the user to be redirected to a specific URL after subscription. Following, the user can select confirmation messages. These will be displayed on the website when the user completes the subscription form. These can all be edited to the user's preference. Once defined, click Save. Once the form has been designed and all the settings have been defined, a user can scroll up to find the form shortcode. To post this to their site, they will simply copy the code, access their website, and post into any WordPress text or widget block. It's very important that the user does not copy the HTML code generated in this panel, as it will not work. That's it. The form has been created.